Good morning. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2, that new lesson in our Sanskrit subject. Lesson 2, Akashah Patati. Here is a short story about a rabbit. Right? Akashah Patati. Akashah means the sky and Patati means is falling. Akashah Patati means the sky is falling. This is the story about a rabbit who is sleeping under the tree in the forest, and the leaf from the tree falls on the rabbit, and he is frightened. He thought that the sky is falling. Right? Maybe you have heard this story from your parents or from your grandparents. Right? Okay. Now in this story there are 4 characters. Shashakaha means rabbit. Shrugalaha means fox. Vanaraha means monkey. And Sinhaha means lion. Here the 2 dots is called a visarg, that I have already explained in the Chitrapadani word, right? And it pronounced as ha. Shashakaha, Shrugalaha, Vanaraha, Sinhaha. It pronounced according to the last vowel, right? Okay. Let's see the story from the textbook. The story is given with pictures in your textbook. Let's see from textbook. You can see the story is given with pictures. इस स्टोरी में क्या है, मैंने आपको अभी भी एक्सप्लेन किया कि एक जो रैबिट है वो पेड़ के नीचे जंगल में सो रहा है और अचानक से पेड़ पर से क्या पड़ता है, उसके ऊपर एक पत्ता, पेड़ का एक पत्ता उस पर गिरता है और उसे लगता है कि जैसे उसके ऊपर आकाश गिर गया, और फिर वो दौड़ता है। और क्या होता है स्टोरी में हम देखते हैं आगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट द स्टोरी। लेसन नंबर 2, आकाशः पतति, द स्काई इज फॉलिंग। एकम वनम अस्ति। जब भी मैं ये जो लाइंस पढ़ रही हूँ, जो लेसन रीडिंग कर रही हूँ, तब आपको अच्छी तरह से सुनना है कि जिसकी वजह से आप एक एक शब्द का जो प्रोनंसिएशन है वो प्रॉपर से सीख सके और आप भी अच्छी तरह पढ़ सके। ठीक है। एकम वनम अस्ति, देयर इज अ फॉरेस्ट। वनम मीन्स फॉरेस्ट। तत्र शशकः निवसति, अ रैबिट लिव्स देयर। रैबिट, शशकः मीन्स रैबिट, निवसति, निवसति मीन्स लिव्स, and tatra means there. Tatra means there. A rabbit lives there. शशकः शयनं करोति। शशकः शयनं करोति। शशकः means rabbit. शयनं means is sleeping. शयनं करोति. The rabbit is sleeping. You can see in the picture, this is a forest. There a rabbit lives and the rabbit is sleeping. Parnam patati. Parnam means a leaf. Patati means Parnam means leaf and patati means falls. Patati means falls. A leaf falls. शशकः भीतः भवति। भीतः means frightened. शशकः भीतः भवति। The rabbit is frightened. वो डर गया। Rabbit डर गया। भीतः means भीतः भवति means is frightened. You have to remember all the words with the translations, right? शशकः धावति. धावति means runs. शशकः धावति when he is frightened? When he is frightened, he is running. The rabbit is running. Dhavati means run, is running or runs. Dhavati means is running or runs. It is used in both the simple present tense and continuous present tense, right? So the rabbit is running. Shrugalah agachati. Agachati means comes. A fox comes there. Shrugalah means fox. A fox comes there. Shashakah vadati. The rabbit says. Vadati means says. Vadati means says. Shrugal bhratah dhavatu akashah patati. Shrugal bhratah means brother fox. Dhavatu means run. Brother fox run. Akashah patati. The sky is falling. Shashakah dhavati. Shrugalah anudhavati. The rabbit is running. The fox is running behind. Anudhavati means running behind or runs behind. The fox is running behind the rabbit. Vanarah agachati. You can see in the picture Vanarah agachati. A monkey is coming. Shashakah vadati. The rabbit says. Vanar bhratah dhavatu akashah patati. Brother monkey, run. The sky is falling. Bhitah shashakah dhavati. Shrugalah anudhavati. Vanarah api anudhavati. You can see in the picture Bhitah shashakah dhavati. The frightened rabbit runs. Bhitah means frightened. The frightened rabbit runs. The fox is Shrugalah anudhavati. The fox is running behind. And Vanarah api anudhavati. And the monkey is also running behind. Now in this picture, Siha agachati. The lion is coming. The lion is coming. Siha vadati. Shashaka kimartham davati. Siha vadati. The lion says. Shashaka kimartham davati. Rabbit. Kimartham means why. Kimartham means why. Why are you running? The lion says, rabbit, why are you running? Shashakah vadati. Singh bhratah dhavatu akashah patati. The rabbit says, brother lion, run. The sky is falling. Siha vadati. The lion says, akashah patati va kutra patati. The lion says, is the sky falling? Where is falling? Kutra means where. Is the sky falling? Here the lion asks a question. The lion says, is the sky falling? Where is falling? Shashakah gacchati. Sinha api saha gacchati. Gacchati means going or goes. The rabbit is going. Siha api saha gacchati. The lion is also goes with the rabbit. The lion is following the rabbit. Right? Siha api saha gacchati. The lion is also going with the rabbit. Shashakah vruksha samipam agachati. The rabbit is coming near the tree. Agachati means coming. Agachati means comes or is coming. And Vruksha Samipam. Vruksh means tree and Samipam means near. The rabbit is coming near the tree. Siंहः वदति कुत्र पतति आकाशः. The lion says, where is the sky falling? Kutra means where. Kutra means where. Where is the sky falling? Shashakah kimapi na vadati. Kimapi means nothing. Shashakah kimapi na vadati. The rabbit does not say anything. Or the rabbit says nothing. Siंहः hasati. The lion laughs. Shashakah palayanam karoti. And the rabbit is running away. Palayanam means running away. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, जब रैबिट के ऊपर लीफ गिरता है, एक पेड़ का एक पत्ता गिरता है, तो उसे लगता है कि जैसे उस पर आकाश गिर गया. तो फिर वो दौड़ता है. उसे बीच में फिर रास्ते में फॉक्स मिलता है, तो उससे कहता है कि द स्काई इज़ फॉलिंग. वो भी उसके साथ दौड़ता है. फिर बीच में मंकी मिलता है, तो उसको भी कहते हैं कि द स्काई इज़ फॉलिंग. मंकी भी उसके साथ जाता है. और फिर लायन आता है रास्ते में, तो उसे भी कहता है. तो लायन पूछता है कि आकाश गिरा, कहाँ पे गिरा, दिखाओ मुझे. तो वो वहाँ पे लेके जाता है सिंह को, पर वहाँ तो कुछ नहीं होता. तो फिर सिंह हंसने लगता है. लायन जो है हंसने लगता है. सिंह हंसती, लायन लाफ्स. एंड शशकः पलायनम करोति. और फिर जो रैबिट होता है वो भी वहाँ से भाग जाता है, पलायन कर देता है, मीन्स रन्स अवे. एंजॉय दिस स्टोरी. So friends, have you enjoyed this story? Okay, you have to read this story, right? You have to read this story as your homework. Okay, we will continue with this with its exercises and some new words, right, in the next session. Thank you.